Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Have you ever heard of a fruit that's as famous for its smell as it is for its flavor? That's durian for you, often called the king of fruits. This unique fruit, native to Southeast Asia, has made its way into delicious desserts around the world. One of the most popular ways to enjoy durian is in ice cream. It's a surprisingly creamy treat that captures the fruit's rich taste. While its strong aroma might be a bit much for some, those who get past it discover a sweet, custardy experience that's truly unforgettable. The enigmatic durian, king of fruits. The durian's reputation precedes it, often eliciting strong reactions. But what exactly makes this spiky fruit so celebrated, and at times, so polarizing? Let's peel back the layers to understand why durian holds such a unique spot in the world of fruits, especially when it comes to making delicious ice cream. Durian varieties best suited for ice cream. When crafting durian ice cream, the choice of durian variety truly matters. Different types offer distinct flavor profiles and textures, impacting the final product's quality. For a truly rich and creamy ice cream, certain varieties stand out. Musang King, Mau Shan Wang. Hailing from Malaysia, this variety is often considered the gold standard. Its flesh is deep yellow, incredibly creamy, and boasts a complex bittersweet flavor. This balance of sweetness and a slight bitter note makes it ideal for ice cream, offering a sophisticated taste. D24, Sultan King. Another Malaysian favorite, D24 provides a more pronounced bitter taste compared to Musang King, yet still delivers a rich, custardy texture. It's a popular choice for those who prefer a less sweet and more durian-forward flavor in their desserts. Red prawn, Hong Shia. Recognized by its reddish-orange flesh, red prawn offers a sweeter, stickier texture with a hint of fermented wine notes. While delicious on its own, its sweetness can be intense in ice cream, often blended with other varieties for balance. The best durian for ice cream usually combines creamy texture with a balanced flavor. You want enough sweetness, but also that distinctive durian aroma and subtle bitterness. This ensures the ice cream is flavorful without being overwhelming. Nutritional value and health benefits of durian. Beyond its unique taste and aroma, durian is surprisingly packed with nutrients. Many people focus on its smell or calorie content, but the fruit offers significant health benefits, often overlooked. Durian is a good source of vitamins. It's rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant crucial for immune health. It also contains B-complex vitamins, which support energy production and nerve function. Minerals. You'll find potassium, essential for maintaining blood pressure, and manganese, which plays a role in bone health and metabolism. Dietary fiber. The fiber content aids digestion and promotes gut health. Healthy fats. While often high in calories, the fats in durian are mostly monounsaturated, similar to those found in avocados, which can be beneficial for heart health in moderation. Despite common myths, durian can be a healthy addition to your diet when consumed in sensible portions. It's an energy-dense fruit, making it a great natural source of quick energy. So, enjoy your durian ice cream knowing you're also getting some good nutrients. Crafting the perfect scoop, making durian ice cream. Making delicious durian ice cream at home is a rewarding experience. It allows you to control the richness and the intensity of the durian flavor. We will explore how traditional methods compare to modern approaches and look at the essential ingredients that make this frozen treat so special. Traditional versus modern preparation methods. The way durian ice cream is made has changed quite a bit over time. Originally, it was a more rustic process. Think of simple hand-cranked churns or even just freezing mixtures in bowls. Traditional methods often involved pounding or mashing the durian flesh by hand to create a coarse pulp, mixing with coconut milk or basic dairy, sometimes sweetened with palm sugar, slow churning in wooden or metal tubs filled with ice and salt. This helped the mixture freeze slowly and develop a smooth texture. The process was labor-intensive, but it produced a rich, dense ice cream with a powerful durian flavor. Modern commercial production, however, uses advanced equipment. This allows for precise temperature control throughout the entire process, high-speed industrial churners that create finer ice crystals and a much smoother, airier texture, homogenization and pasteurization of the base ingredients. This ensures food safety and a consistent product. Incorporation of stabilizers and emulsifiers. These ingredients help prevent ice crystal formation and maintain a creamy mouthfeel, even after prolonged storage. While modern methods offer consistency and efficiency, many home cooks still enjoy the hands-on approach of making it traditionally. You can achieve excellent results with a domestic ice cream maker that mimics the continuous churning action. Key ingredients and flavor pairings. The foundation of any great ice cream is its base ingredients. For durian ice cream, selecting quality milk, cream, and sugar is just as important as the durian itself. Here's how these elements come together. Dairy base. Full-fat milk and heavy cream provide the essential fat content for a rich and creamy texture. The higher the fat, the smoother your ice cream will be, as fat helps prevent large ice crystal formation. Some recipes might use condensed milk for added sweetness and thickness. Sweeteners. Granulated sugar is common, but some recipes use brown sugar or palm sugar, gula melaka, for a deeper, more caramel-like sweetness that complements durian. Adjust the sugar level based on the natural sweetness of your chosen durian variety. Durian. The star ingredient, of course. Use ripe, fresh durian pulp for the best flavor. Puree it thoroughly to avoid stringy bits in your ice cream. To enhance or balance durian's bold taste, consider these complementary flavors. Coconut. Often paired with durian in many Southeast Asian desserts. Coconut milk or cream adds a tropical richness that blends seamlessly with the durian, mellowing its intensity slightly. Pandan. This aromatic leaf provides a subtle, vanilla-like fragrance and a hint of green color. It introduces a fresh note that can brighten the overall flavor profile. Vanilla extract. A touch of vanilla can surprisingly enhance the durian's natural sweetness without overpowering it. Salt. A pinch of salt is crucial. It balances the sweetness and makes all the flavors pop, much like it does in other desserts. Experimenting with these pairings allows you to customize your durian ice cream. Do you want to highlight the durian or offer a more complex, layered flavor experience? The choice is yours. Thanks for watching part 1 of this durian ice cream guide. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.